Welcome to your Rowdy Rodeo Party Hero Kit. In this video, we'll show you how to create a beautiful balloon garland step by step for a clean and polished result. You can pause the video anytime if needed. First, inflate all balloons to the specified sizes, making sure they are round, not pear-shaped. If a balloon looks too long, gently release a bit of air until it becomes perfectly round, then tie a secure knot. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Next, tie the 12-inch and 10-inch balloons in pairs by knotting their ends together. Then twist 2 pairs together to create clusters of 4 or 6. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Now, take your 5-inch balloons and twist them into clusters of 3. Connect 2 clusters using an uninflated 260 balloon to create paired mini clusters. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Now start building your garland. Thread one end of a balloon cluster through the larger hole in the garland strip, then pull it into the smaller hole to lock it in place. Continue adding clusters, alternating colors along the strip. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. You can hang your garland using hooks, place it on a stand, turn it into a balloon arch, or style it in any way that works best for your setup. To finish, attach the tinsel fringe curtains, then add your 5-inch clusters and foil balloons. Use a 260 balloon to wrap and secure them onto the garland and attach your banner. And that's it. Your balloon garland is ready for your celebration.